If you want to play Android games on your PC, but you don't want to use heavy emulators like BlueStacks or Nox Player, then this video is going to help you a lot. Because today, I'll show you how to play Android games on your Windows PC using official Google Play Games application. This is not any third-party emulator, this is Google's own software and now it is available in a stable version. It means better performance, no ads and a much smoother experience. But keep in mind, this is mainly for games. You won't get normal Android apps here. Now, let's start with the installation step by step. Before installing, make sure your PC meets these basic requirements. You need at least Windows 10 or Windows 11. You should have an SSD card with around 10 GB of free space. Minimum 8 GB RAM is recommended. And your processor should support virtualization. Don't worry, I'll show you how to check that. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Then go to the Performance tab and click on CPU. On the right side, you will see an option called Virtualization. If it shows enabled, then you are ready to proceed. In most modern PCs, it's already enabled by default. But if it shows disabled, then you need to enable it from your BIOS or UEFI settings. For Intel processors, the option is usually called Intel Virtualization Technology. And for AMD processors, it's called AMD Secure Virtual Machine or simply SVM mode. Just enable that option, save the changes and you are good to go. After that, open any browser. Search for Google Play Games for PC. Open the official website. You'll see a download button. Click on it and the setup file will start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Click on Install. The software will automatically download and install all required files. Just wait for the installation to complete. After installation, open Google Play Games. Now it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Just log in using your Gmail ID. After login, you'll see the main dashboard. Here you will find different sections like Home, where you can see popular games. Library, where your installed games will appear. Search option, where you can find games by category or rating. You can browse and choose any game you like. Now select any game, click on Install and wait for the download to finish. After installation, click on Play. The game will start just like a normal PC game. You can use your keyboard and mouse to control the game. You can map your keyboard keys from the settings.
Free Fire India is set in a virtual world. Kelly on standby on the real world.
While playing, you can press Shift plus Tab to open settings. From here, you can adjust resolution, FPS and graphic settings.
Drag me onto anything you're sure of and I'll give you a quick tip in style.
If you face lag, you can reduce the resolution from 1080p to 720p. This will improve performance. The best part about this method is that it runs very smoothly. Since this is an official Google tool, there are no ads, no crashes, and no heavy resource usage like traditional emulators. I tested multiple games and everything worked without lag or stutter. Just remember one thing, you can only play supported games. You won't get all Play Store apps here, but still, there are many popular games available. So that's it for this video. Now you can easily play Android games on your PC without using any emulator. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and comment below. Also, share this with your friends who still use heavy emulators. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Druid for more useful tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.